Snoop Dogg and D.I.
Guess who's back?
Steve.
Come on, Donald. Another one. I know, but there we go. And I got it on video. So that's like a double score. I don't know if he's coming or what. No, I do. Why? Why
Nice!
you say that? Look, hopefully you guys can see that. Small, but hey, still works. Well, got another one, guys. Off that Zoom Super Fluke.
Donald! Another little guy.
Whether you're cooling on the corner with your fly, lay back in the shack, play this track.
Oh! Just leave him, and I got you. Logan! Here, I got you. Yeah. Here, you better make sure he doesn't do that. Here. Dude, that's a nice one. Oh, shoot. Oh, dang. Oh, yeah, Logan. There we go. Nice, Logan. Logan, get the bogeys. Get the bogey grips. Shoot! Get the bogey grips.
I got him right here. Yeah, let me calm him down real quick.
Dude, I want to get a photo with that guy. Good, I'm recording.
Some of that real sticky, icky. Ooh, wait. Put it in the air.